With the carrier basket upside down, start by installing the spring-loaded pin, followed by the 2 reflectors. Next, slide the hitch tube into the carrier basket receiver and secure with a pin. Loosely fit the leveling bolts into the folding bracket. Then use the larger bolts to lock the hitch tube in place. When flipping the carrier, be sure the spring pin is holding the ramp in place. Use 2 nut and bolt pairings to connect the L bracket to the carrier basket. Make sure the bolt head is facing the inside of the carrier to avoid obstructing the ramp. Attach the double spring pin to the L bracket, or it will serve as the upright ramp lock. Finally, slide the anti-tilt hitch device onto the hitch tube, with 3 bolts facing the receiver. Then, insert the hitch tube and secure with a hitch pin. With the anti-tilt device flush to the receiver, tighten the bolts to lock the carrier to your vehicle. If your carrier basket is unlevel, adjust the leveling bolts and secure with the jam nut. Now you're ready to safely load your mobility device.